Good morning, students of class 3rd. First of all, I wish you all a very happy new year. Children, keep yourselves safe and be indoors as it is very cold outside. And protect yourself from everything. Today, I am going to teach you English language. Lesson number 11. The use of will and shall. The use of will and shall. Lesson 11 in English grammar. The use of will or shall. Will, shall is used with V1 to talk of some future action. Shall can be used for I and we. Will is used for you, he, she, it, they, and all other subjects, singular or plural. In modern English, shall is used only in questions with I and we. He will do his homework. They will come here tomorrow. I shall go there by train. Shall I go there by train? Now there are past, present, past and future. I am late, present. Past, I was late. Future, I shall be late. Again, he is late. He was late. He will be late. You are late. You were late. And you will be late. For negatives, we use not
we.
After will, shall. He will not do this homework. He won't do his homework. They will not come here tomorrow. They won't come here tomorrow. I shall not go there by train. I shan't go there by train. I won't go there by train. For questions, we shall use will, shall before the subject. V1 comes after the subject. Shall we go by train? Will he do his homework? Will they come here tomorrow? Now for negative questions, not can come after will, shall or before V1. Will he play with his dog? Will he not play with his dog? Will not he play with his dog? Won't he play with his dog? Shall we go by train? Shall we not go by train? Shall not we go by train? Won't we go by train? Rewrite each question as a question, as a negative questions. Now, you will wear this cap. Will you wear this cap? A question. You won't wear this cap? Negative. Won't you wear this cap? Shall we get our share? We shall not get our share. Shall not which becomes won't and have our share. Now the question is, she will be happier.
Mm-hmm.
What? Happy here. Will she be happy here? She won't be happy here. Won't she be happy here? Tomorrow will be a holiday. Will tomorrow be a holiday? Tomorrow won't be a holiday. Won't tomorrow be a holiday? And next, will Raman eat in the class? Will Raman eat in the class? Raman won't eat in the class. Number third, won't Raman eat in the class? Yeah. Shall we play in the park? We won't play in the park. Won't we play in the park? Children, do these exercises in the notebook, and tomorrow we will continue again this chapter.